You're not stuck. It just feels that way. Because every single day, you wake up with this quiet pressure in your chest, like you should be doing more, like you're falling behind, like everyone else figured life out except you. And the worst part, you don't even know what's wrong. If you've been feeling lost, unmotivated, or like your life is going nowhere, this video is going to hit you hard. Because I'm not going to give you fake motivation. I'm going to show you the real reason you feel stuck and exactly how to get out of it. Let's get one thing straight. You're not actually stuck, you're just overwhelmed. There's a difference. Being stuck means there's no way forward, but overwhelmed, that means there are too many directions, and you don't know which one to take. So what do? Nothing. You scroll, you delay, you wait for motivation, and slowly, that feeling turns into guilt. Here's something nobody tells you. Your brain doesn't want you to grow. It wants you to stay safe. And safe means staying in your comfort zone, avoiding risk, avoiding failure, avoiding change. So every time you try to improve your life, your brain floods you with doubt. What if it doesn't work? What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? So you stop. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is protecting you. This is the part most people won't admit. You're trying to fix your entire life at once. You want better habits, more money, more discipline, a clear purpose, a perfect routine, all at the same time. That's not ambition, that's self-sabotage. Because when everything feels important, nothing gets done. Here's the loop you're stuck in. You feel behind, you try to change everything. You get overwhelmed, you do nothing, you feel worse. Repeat. And every time this cycle repeats, your confidence drops. You start believing, maybe I'm just not disciplined. Maybe I'm just not built for success. That's the lie. You don't need motivation. You don't need a new routine. You don't even need more discipline. You need clarity. Because clarity eliminates overwhelm. And when you're not overwhelmed, you take action. Step 1, shrink your focus. Stop trying to fix your entire life. Pick one thing. Just one. One habit, one goal, one area. That's it. Step 2, lower the bar. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. You don't need a perfect routine. Start small. So small, it feels stupid. Because consistency beats intensity every time. Step 3, take imperfect action. You're waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. You're waiting to feel ready. You won't. Action creates clarity, not the other way around. Step 4, stop consuming, start doing. You don't need another video. You don't need another plan. You already know what to do. And deep down, you know that this is where everything changes. Stop focusing on results. Start focusing on identity. Don't say, I want to be disciplined. Say, I am someone who shows up. Because once your identity shifts, your actions follow. Listen carefully. You're not behind, you're not broken, and you're definitely not stuck. You're just distracted. Distracted by comparison, distracted by perfection, distracted by the illusion that you need everything figured out. You don't. You just need to start. Because the truth is, the life you want, it's not built in one big moment. It's built in the small decisions you keep avoiding. So the question isn't, why am I stuck? The real question is, what am I avoiding right now? And once you answer that, you'll realize something powerful. You were never stuck. You were just waiting. If this hit you, don't just move on. Actually do something with it. And if you want more content that pushes you to level up, subscribe. Because this is just the beginning.